see it now, but dolphins like 6 feet away from us, and now they've moved out. I've got the camera, but oh well, so beautiful. There it is. Unfortunately, they're not as close now. So here we are. Day at the beach. Close encounters of the dolphin kind. Speak to me.
I had to come in because I was trading water for so long. My shoulders were getting so sore.
And what did we just see? Like 10 feet away from us?
10 feet away. So beautiful.
Here, let's
If I'd had like a tube or something, I would have swum out.
a what?
I'd had a tube, I would have swum out.
Oh yeah.
But I just couldn't get this head going.
Of course, I don't have it on when I need it on. What a beautiful day. Gorgeous day at the beach.